Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we'll look at some very important viral infections in the incubation period. So measles has an incubation period of 7 to 18 days, that is 1 to 2 weeks about. And then we look at the chickenpox. The chickenpox has the incubation period of about 14 to 21 days, that is 2 to 3 weeks. Then comes mumps. Mumps also has a very similar incubation period, that is 14 to 21 days. Next is the rubella. Rubella is also very similar, that is 14 to 21 days of incubation period. Next, let's look at the erythema infectiosum. So in terms of the erythema infectiosum, the incubation period is about 4 to 14 days. And when we look at the exanthum subitum, so here the incubation period is about 5 to 15 days. Then comes the infectious mononucleosis. So under infectious mononucleosis, the incubation period is about 4 to 5 weeks.